Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, what people? My dear, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. You see? So I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a female was being restrained by police within the country of Jamaica. This situation looks serious. That's in my point of view. See? So I saw more than one pieces of videos about the situation to your subscribers. And based on some words that have been said in at least one of those pieces of videos, I got the understanding that police had been accused of hitting the female, or at least one law enforcer had been accused of hitting the female during subscribers. One of the videos, in my point of view, shows some type of a struggle or scuffle or support between at least one law enforcer and a female. And some words that they said in that video gave me the understanding that a female said, "Me not take your leg, me not lick your back." The people, I somewhat edit the video to try and keep it as family friendly as possible for your subscribers. So I'm going to present the video that I edit to you so that you can have a better understanding about the situation. But please bear in mind that this video shows when a female was being restrained by police, and the video shows the female down on a pavement or being held down on a pavement by at least one law enforcer at least one point. So before I present this edited video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this edited video. Observe with me.
Right, just bring them home. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Hello, my people. I come and take that come to my Mila belly, watch out. Chill, chill. Mama, I like the gate and stay in. Lisa! Lisa, chill Nana!
I also got the understanding that there were persons at the scene who disagree with the actions of police were at the scene, viewers, subscribers, and for you to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present the audio of one of the videos that I saw about the situation. Listen, my people. Listen.
Camera on now. Camera on now. Camera on now.
Now, I'm not sure if I ever got some form of understanding about a situation like this, or if I've ever seen these videos before. I'm not sure, because I've seen quite a lot of videos pertaining to civilians and police situations and so forth. So may I say, I'm not sure what might have caused that type of situation as well to the people. You see, but it really and surely set away. So those pieces of videos have been brought to my attention that I saw. I somewhat edit one of those so that you can have a better understanding about the situation. What do you think about the actions of the police? How police dealt with the situation? Leave a comment or comments if you know what to think. I'm going to move on to another topic. And the topic that I'm going to move on to is about a very, very bad situation. I got information about a situation. And based on the information that I got, I consider it to be a jealousy situation that went totally bad. Okay? So, I read some words from a post that had been made on a social media account that has Guyana Police Force on it. And the words that I'm read, my people, if they are accurate and if they are true, then what a situation. So some words that I saw in the post are: murder suspect confess to shooting Linden school teacher. More words we see are: murder suspect Shaka Phillips, called Concrete Man, age 21 years, from a location mentioned in the post, has confessed to investigators that he shot and killed his 26-year-old child mother, Janelle Polydor. I'm so good with pronouncing names sometimes, people, but make any mistake, understands it. So I got the understanding from some words in the post that the post basically said that Phillips was arrested. Well, I answered that part there, and admitted to investigators that on 19th July 2025, he was calling Janelle's cell phone and she was not answering. He further stated that as a result, he went to the R&R Hotel. I see a location mentioned right there, so when I assume that's a location mentioned right there, so where a wedding reception was being held, and saw Janelle talking to a male, or the female talking to a male, based on the understanding we get from the post. So, more words missing in the post said that Phillips said he confronted her and asked her why she was not taking his call, and they had an argument. The suspect said he got upset, took out a gun from his shoulder bag and shot her. Phillips said she ran into the hotel yard and he ran behind her, at which point he shot her again. He saw her fall to the ground and he ran out of the yard, rode away on a bicycle and went into hiding. He told investigators that he subsequently went to Adams boat landing and threw the gun in the Demera River. He was taken back to the scene and the area where he claimed he threw the gun. Due to the springtide left out apart, the investigators were unable to conduct a search for the gun. So based on some words when we read the post, I assume that was some type of a jealousy thing. It really and truly set away, it look away, it sound away, it's horribly bad. So I see some more words in the post that basically said that the interview with the suspect was video/audio recorded. Statements were also obtained from eyewitnesses as investigations continue. Sad situation, no people. Leave your comment and comments, let me know what you think about that situation. Big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers, no matter where you are in the world. Guyana, no matter where you are. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!